Hi, I'm Tammy. So today we're going to make a scorpion bowl. And this is a drink for more than one person, unless you just really want to fall over drunk. So not great to share for the coronavirus, but if you and your partner both test negative, share away, right? So it's pretty easy to make. You're going to take Myers rum. You're going to put about 4 ounces of Myers rum in here. Then you're going to use regular rum. Use a good Jamaican rum, 4 ounces again. Then you're going to take about an ounce of your almond syrup. Put that in. You're going to do the same thing with sweet and sour. About an ounce of sweet and sour. Then you're going to put a couple ounces of orange juice and a couple ounces of pineapple juice. And then, last but not least, you're going to top it off with 151 rum. So, go over the top of that. Then, you garnish it. You're just going to garnish it up with different fruits of your liking. I've got oranges and cherries and pineapples all in here. So I'm just going to load it up with these fruits. And a little bit more. I have a little bit more, so we'll just stick them on in there. All right. And then, of course, let's put a couple little umbrellas in this guy. There we go. And last but not least, let's see if I can do this without hurting myself. Okay. You. I need a larger lighter, but we didn't have one because we don't smoke, so this is all we got here. See if I can do it. You. Light the 151. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test, and I really don't want to catch my hair on fire, so I'm just going to take a little bit of my extra juice from this, and I'm going to try to put it out. Oh, you can really see the flame now. Okay, there we go. All right. So, put that in. I'm going to get my straws going, and we are going to do this taste test. All right. Actually, I want the blue straw. Blue's my favorite color. All right. I'm ready. It's so good. This is a delicious drink. All right, so this is for 2 people, but I think I'm going to drink all by myself. So, hope you enjoy this video. It's super easy to make, and cheers!